Are you tired of feeling like you're losing money on every crypto transaction? Do you look at your Coinbase receipt and wonder, what exactly am I paying for? You're not alone. Figuring out Coinbase fees can feel like trying to solve a puzzle. The reality is, it's not a single fee, it's a combination of different charges that can add up quickly. Understanding them is the key to trading smarter. First, let's break down the two main types of fees, the Coinbase fee and the spread. The Coinbase fee is a flat fee or a percentage of your transaction, and it changes depending on a few key factors. For example, the total dollar amount of your purchase. Smaller transactions will have a fixed fee, while larger ones use a percentage. This fee also depends on your payment method. Using a debit card or PayPal will always have a higher fee than a bank transfer. Then, there's the spread. Think of this as the difference between the price Coinbase buys crypto for and the price they sell it to you for. This is a built-in cost, usually around 0.5%, that you'll pay on every buy, sell, or convert order on the main Coinbase platform. It's how they guarantee you a fixed price for your transaction. So, how do you see all this before you commit? The good news is, Coinbase is transparent about this. Before you click buy, sell, or convert, you'll see a trade preview screen. This screen is your best friend. It clearly shows the total cost, including the Coinbase fee and the spread. Always check this screen to know exactly what you're paying. Now, what if you want to lower your fees? This is where a secret weapon comes in, Coinbase Advanced Trade. While the standard Coinbase platform is great for beginners, Advanced Trade is for more serious users. It uses a maker-taker fee model, which is based on your trading volume over the last 30 days. The more you trade, the lower your fees become. There's no spread on Advanced Trade, which can lead to significant savings. If you're a frequent trader, this is the way to go. And finally, don't forget about network fees. These are not charged by Coinbase but by the blockchain itself to process your transaction. Coinbase usually includes an estimate of this fee in your total, especially when you're sending crypto off the platform to another wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.